We're almost set up better for schools because it's hard to get a lot of labor early. So stuff that I'm still planting now is going to be ready for the fall. I'm Kyle Haroldson with Haroldson Farms. We are north of Bruce, South Dakota. We grow on 3 to 4 acres. Majority of that is certified organic. We grow a lot of our viney stuff out here. So like the winter squash and watermelons and melons, green beans, potatoes, cucumbers, peas, spinach, peppers, a variety of vegetables. And we sell direct to people at farmers market and through a CSA where we do home delivery. We sell to stores in Sioux Falls mostly, and we will be selling to the Huron schools this fall. With farming, it's trial and error for sure. And then every year is different. You know, it might be warm, it might freeze early. There's different insects that come in every year. The winds always blow, so you can count on that. And then just the methods of improving the soil every year. So there's so much to learn. And then the customers selling a little more to schools in the future. Our crops change a little bit where we're doing, you know, maybe not the full set of crops and focusing it down to a dozen crops maybe and doing higher volume on those. One of the challenges for us is getting labor early in the season. So to have a bunch of products to sell in May and June is a little bit challenging, and then because of the weather as well. Like that's why we're doing more potatoes and corn this year, because that we can do with machinery. We can cultivate, you know, we got a half an acre of potatoes and 3/4 of an acre of sweet corn, and that doesn't take very much labor. You know, I think we can do things more efficiently, economically, selling to schools. You sell to a farmer's market and there's maybe 500 people on a good day in Brookings, for example. A school like Huron, they've got 2,200 students eating every day, you know, so there's potential for volume. I haven't run the numbers, but I'd say it's 3 to 5 times more production that we get out of a tunnel than outside. It's easier to grow things because you get an extra month and a half at least at the beginning and at the end. Like out in the field, how we got the wind here, probably have 25% of what we planted. And here I'm looking at probably like 90 plus. I have 2 young girls, almost 3 and 6. So I look to see what they're eating in the schools. I want them to eat healthy. I'm sure every other parent wants that too. Most of the product that they're eating now is coming from a long ways away, and that's good product too. But if they can eat locally grown products that are fresher and help the small little economy here a little bit, why not? I mean, our prices are competitive with those prices. Farm to school seems like it's picking up and gaining some momentum now too, where there's more schools interested in working with farms. But if things go well with that, then we've got land that we can transition to vegetable land where we can grow into doing more schools as well.